Broccoli, the main ingredient in creamy broccoli soup, is one of the most nutritious vegetables. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, and other essential nutrients. Broccoli also contains phytochemicals that may help fight inflammation and reduce the risk of cancer. To make a delicious creamy broccoli soup, it's important to choose fresh and high-quality ingredients. When selecting broccoli, look for bright green heads without any yellow or brown spots. Potatoes should be firm and free of sprouts. Onions should be fresh with no soft or moldy spots. Choose high-quality cream for a richer taste of the soup. 1. Start by preparing the ingredients. Chop the broccoli into small florets, dice the potatoes, and finally chop the onion. 2. In a large pot, melt some butter over medium heat and saute the onion until soft. 3. Add the chopped potatoes and broccoli to the pot, then add enough vegetable broth to cover the vegetables. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the vegetables are tender. 4. Once the vegetables are cooked, use a blender or immersion blender to puree the soup until smooth. 5. Add the cream, spices, and seasonings to taste. Heat the soup for a few more minutes until warmed through. 6. Serve the creamy broccoli soup hot, garnished with fresh green herbs or croutons. Creamy broccoli soup is not only a delicious and satisfying dish but also a source of valuable nutrients for the whole family. Its delicate texture and rich flavor will appeal to both adults and children alike. Thanks to its high content of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, potassium, and folate, this soup also provides health benefits for your body.